So today I run barefoot as always, but today it was a very fine running track for me. Track meaning actually such a sandy, almost like a sandy beach. I could say very runnable barefoot. Also a bit forest trails, something like that. Yeah, with pines and with other obstacles at places, but it was fun. It was fine and fun. And I ran some 7 kilometers today. It's very hot today. It's more than 20 degrees. I don't know how hot it is actually, and I was already exhausted before the start of the run because I walked in my garden for several hours in direct sun. It was very tough. Yeah. So that's it for me today. 7 kilometers, it will be enough. Totally. Also some hills, some very large hills, actually steep hills, as you can see. So that's it for today. For the video, please like it if you like running or running barefoot, or if you liked my performance of barefoot running, and see you in another video then. Bye!